Hello and welcome again. The soil started mainly in the rocks, together with the decomposition of animals and plants, if you can imagine long stretches or periods when large rock masses were crumbling and breaking. Heat, water action, and friction were mainly responsible for this. Resistance here means the friction and crushing of the rock mass against the rock mass. There have also been significant changes in temperature. Everything was first heated to a high temperature, then gradually cooled. Just think of the cracks, the ruins, the upheavals that these changes must have caused. You know some of the winter effects of sudden freezes and thaws. But the small examples of broken water pipes and broken jugs are nothing for what was going on in the world in those days. Water and gases in the atmosphere helped in this ruined work. It turns out that certain portions of rock masses dissolved when the water ran over them and the heat was plentiful. This dissolution occurred mostly because there is a specific gas in the air called carbon dioxide or carbonic acid gas. The third type of soil with which we cultivate people is calcareous soil. Remember that we are thinking about lands from the farm's point of view. In earlier times, the lower forms of animals and plants harvested the lime water particles. They formed skeletons or houses on themselves as protection against larger animals. Coral is representative of this class of skeleton-forming animals. When the animal died, the skeleton remained. Large masses of this living matter pressed together after eons, forming limestone. Some limestones are still in such a shape that the formation of shells is still visible. Marble, another limestone, is somewhat crystalline. Another well-known limestone is chalk. Maybe you want to know a way always to be able to say lime. Put some of this acid in a little lemon. Please visit the link below for the full article, like and subscribe, and we see us next time. Goodbye.